In this video, I'll be showing you how to make pajamas for boy dolls. Alright, so before that, I'll be telling you an update. So recently, you can see Rihanna with a boy because this is her husband. Because Rihanna has got married recently. Congratulations to her. Alright, so as a gift, I'll be giving her husband, Liam, or you can say William Willie, a beautiful nightwear, night suit, or pajamas. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, for that you will be needing a fabric with 8 centimeters wide and 6 centimeters long. Alright, so fold this fabric in half and cut it up like a pant. Like this. And then cut a seam in here or an open end to put Liam's legs inside, like this. Now turn it upside down, like this, like this. Now let's staple these two sides with a stapler machine. If you want, you can also sew these both sides instead of stapling. But if you sew, please take adult supervision for sewing. And if you don't sew, you can use the stapler pin. Alrighty, it's done. Now let's staple these 3 sides. Okay, looking good. Now let's turn the right side up. Okay, now let's put these pants on Liam. Alright, so this is how he looks in these pants. Alright, so now let's go for the shirt. Okay, so for shirt, there are 2 pieces of fabric here, which are 7 inches wide and 4.5 inches long. So now put these fabrics together like this, and make a line. So let's take a pencil. Alright, so let's cut it like this for the hands, and let's the both sides of the hands, the neckline, and then we have to staple the sides. So let me show you. Okay, so now let's cut these sides in here like this. As you can see, these are the length, and now do the same for the other side, like this. And it's done. Now let's staple these 2 sides like this. There is one side done with 2 staples. Now let's do the other side. Done. Now let's cut a neckline and a circle like this. And now let's staple these 2 sides, and then let's turn it right side up. Alright, it's done. So it may look weird right now, but when you turn it right side out, it will look very perfect. Alright, so now let's turn it right side out. Okay, so now our shirt is done. This is the neckline, these are the both hands, and it's done. And this is the body. So if you want, you can also cut it in the middle so it'll look like an office suit or a coat. But now I'll be going to leave it like that. And let's put it on Liam. For now, I'll be showing you that I'll be cutting in the middle. So let's see how it looks like when we cut it in the middle in this line. This is how it looks like when it's been cut. Let's put this one on Liam so it'll look very good. Alright, so this is how it'll look like when you put it on him. Alright, so this is how you will make a new shirt and a new pant for your dolls, or you can say pajamas. Alright, so I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time on my channel. Alright, bye for now.